our boards for 10 minutes. Now the purpose of buying a pre-treated cedar plank is that the oils have been lifted out by charring it lightly on top. So when you put your product, your fish or your chicken or pork on top, those flavors are going to come up. And it's not so thick that it'll take forever to heat up. That's the trick, is make sure that you have a thin enough board that the heat will apply and the flavors will come through. We're going to place this on the sheet pan, like so. And we're going to get our salmon. Bring your salmon out of the marinade. Remember, it was skin side up. Now we're going to show you how to use the planks. When you lay this on the plank, what I like to do is cut slices like this. Now this is going to serve 8 to 10 people. And we'll start at 8. Ready for the grill, oven, broiler. And this is what your spinach gratin looks like in your broiler. And this is your baked spinach gratin Cedar Plank salmon. Notice the difference in the color here and here. That's what makes a beautiful line. Marinated to flesh gratin, marinated flesh gratin, all the way down. Just look how beautiful presentation that is. We did it for 4. 350, 10 to 12 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now that's why this works so wonderful. Look at that. See the fat that's coming through here? Still moist. Actually tender and delicious. It's not smoked back there. Now the salmon, because it's such a lighter piece of meat, it's going to cook so much faster than the chicken. Chicken's probably got another 5 to 7 on there. Let's say 15. But here you go, gentlemen. This is Cedar Plank Salmon with spinach gratin. Hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to the next ones.